Imagine whipping up crispy fries, juicy chicken wings, or even a quick veggie roast without drowning your food in oil or your kitchen in clutter. This Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer promises exactly that: fast, healthy, and hassle-free cooking in a compact package. But does it live up to the hype? After putting this pint-sized powerhouse through its paces, I'm here to spill the beans, or should I say perfectly roasted chickpeas, on why this air fryer might just steal your heart and a permanent spot on your countertop. Let's dive into what makes this gadget a game changer for small kitchens and big appetites alike. Why the Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer stands out. If you're tired of bulky appliances hogging your counter space or meals that leave you feeling sluggish, this air fryer is designed with you in mind. It's not just another kitchen gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Here's why it's worth your attention. Lightning-fast cooking. With a digital touchscreen that lets you crank the heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, this air fryer cooks meals up to 3 times faster than a traditional oven. French fries in under 15 minutes? Yes, please. Healthier meals, guilt-free. Say goodbye to greasy pans and hello to crispy perfection with little to no oil. It's ideal for anyone craving fried foods without the calorie overload. Space saving. Superstar. Its sleek, narrow design and 2-quart capacity make it a dream for small apartments, dorms, or cozy kitchens. It fits snugly on your counter or tucks away in a cabinet with ease. Foolproof features. The shake notification reminds you to flip your food for even crispiness, and the automatic shutoff ensures safety so you can cook with confidence. Effortless cleanup. The non-stick dishwasher-safe basket means no scrubbing required. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meal. Who needs this air fryer? Spoiler, probably you. Whether you're a busy professional squeezing dinner into a packed schedule, a student craving late-night snacks, or a health-conscious foodie experimenting with lighter recipes, the Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer fits seamlessly into your life. Its 2-quart capacity is perfect for solo meals or small households. Think 1 to 2 people, delivering just the right portion without wasting energy on oversized appliances. I tested it with everything from frozen mozzarella sticks to fresh zucchini fries, and each dish came out golden, crispy, and oh so satisfying. What surprised me most was how intuitive it is. The digital timer and temperature controls take the guesswork out of cooking, so even kitchen newbies can nail restaurant-quality results. Plus, the shake reminder is a genius touch. My wings were evenly crispy without any babysitting. For anyone juggling a hectic lifestyle, this air fryer is like having a sous chef who never complains. Real-world testing. My experience. I'll be honest, I was skeptical about a mini air fryer handling my snack attacks, but after a week of testing, I'm hooked. Here's a quick rundown of my experiments. Day 1. Frozen fries. In 12 minutes, I had a pile of crispy, golden fries that rivaled my favorite diners. No soggy spuds here. Day 3. Chicken nuggets, juicy on the inside, crunchy on the outside, and ready in under 10 minutes. My takeout budget is officially in trouble. Day 5. Veggie medley. Tossed in a drizzle of olive oil, my zucchini and bell peppers turned out tender yet crisp. Healthy eating? Nailed it. Day 7. Reheating leftovers. Last night's pizza slices tasted better than fresh, with a perfectly revived crust. This thing's a leftover lifesaver. The only hiccup? The 2-quart basket isn't ideal for big families. If you're cooking for more than 2, you might need a larger model. But for quick, personal meals, it's spot on. The health factor. Fry without the guilt. One of the biggest draws of the Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer is its ability to deliver that fried food crunch without the oil overload. By circulating hot air at high speeds, it mimics deep frying while slashing fat and calories. I swapped my usual pan-fried chicken for air-fried, and the results were mind-blowing. Same crispy coating, but way lighter on my stomach. It's a win for anyone watching their waistline or just wanting to feel good about their food choices. Safety. First, always. Safety is non-negotiable in my kitchen, and Chefman delivers peace of mind. The auto shutoff kicks in when cooking's done, or if you remove the basket, so there's no risk of accidental overheating. Plus, it's CETL approved with a 1-year assurance, meaning it's built to last. Why buy now? In a world of endless kitchen gadgets, the Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer stands out for its balance of performance, practicality, and price. It's not just about cooking faster, it's about cooking smarter. Whether you're craving a quick snack or experimenting with healthier recipes, this air fryer makes every meal feel like a win. Plus, its compact size means you're not sacrificing